Hello, Primary 6. We will talk about revision on levers part 2. We can remember with us, listen to law of levers states that effort force by its arm equal resistance force by its arm. Law of lever and conservation of effort. The first class lever sometimes save or conserve effort. Second class lever always conserve effort or always has mechanical benefit. And third class lever always doesn't save effort or never save effort. And we have problem here. If the exerted force of the first class lever has a value 500 Newton and its length of its arm equal 20 centimeter and is affected by a resistance with a value 200 Newton, find the length of arm of resistance. The first step, we must write the law of lever. Force by its arm equal resistance by its arm. We know that the value of force equal 500 and its arm equal 20 centimeter equal resistance 200, and he wants to know the arm of resistance. So we can calculate the arm of resistance equal 500 by 20 divided 200 equal 50 centimeter. Write scientific term. Distance between effort force and fulcrum. The distance between effort force and fulcrum is, yes, force arm. While the distance between resistance and fulcrum is resistance arm. Measuring unit of effort force and resistance force is Newton. The measuring unit of any force is Newton. Measuring unit of effort arm and resistance arm, as we said, force arm and resistance arm are distance, so we can measure them by using centimeter unit. Complete. Some levers save space through using small force to move big load in the crowbar. Some levers save, yes, effort. The second class lever always save effort because the force arm is than the resistance arm. Yes, the second class lever always save effort when the force arm is longer than resistance arm. If the arm of force is longer than the arm of resistance, then force will be, as we said, smaller than the arm of the resistance force. Space class lever always save effort, while space class lever never save. Second class lever always save, and third class lever never save effort. If the resistance arm is shorter than force arm, if the resistance arm shorter than force arm, then value of resistance is space than effort force. The value of resistance will be longer than the value of effort force. There is conservation of effort for first class lever if force arm longer than resistance arm. Yes. The first class lever save effort when the value of resistance is larger than the value of exerted force. The law of lever states that the product of force by its arm equal resistance by its arm. Which type of lever where the arm of force and the arm of resistance are equal? Sure, first class lever. Put true or false. If the force is smaller than resistance, then this lever conserve effort. Sure, true. First class lever always save effort. First class lever always save effort. Sure, false. Second class lever always save effort. A lever save effort if a small effort is exerted to move big load. True. If the force arm is shorter than resistance arm, so the force is less than resistance, sure, false. If the force arm shorter than resistance arm, so the force will be longer than the resistance. If the resistance arm is longer than the effort arm, the lever will save effort, false. Third class lever sometimes save effort, false. First class lever sometimes save effort. Give reason. First class lever sometimes save effort. As we said, the main point for any type of lever to save or conserve effort, it must has force arm larger than resistance arm. So force will be smaller than resistance. So when he asks me, the first class lever sometimes save effort, as we said before, because it sometimes has force arm larger than resistance arm. Give reason. Second class lever always save effort because it always has force arm larger than resistance arm. Give reason. Third class lever always or never save effort because it always has force arm shorter than resistance arm. Although third class lever never save effort, but it has many importance. As we said, because some of them are used in accuracy and performance as tweezers, and others are used to avoid dangerous as coil holder. Okay, thank you.